What about anybody else? I mean, how do you distinguish between a setback that's a learning opportunity versus a setback that is, oh crap, I got to change everything?
So I think we all naturally have blind spots, right? We can't all be good at everything. We are designed to see the world. We see the world. That doesn't mean that the rest doesn't exist. It's just that we don't see it, right? It's like if I say white Lexus, you're gonna all say see white Lexus from now on. So I think it's super important to surround yourself with people. So I built what I call a board of directors. So then they can advise me on things if I don't see it naturally, right? So they all come to the situation. We all have quarterly meetings. I say where we at, where we going, because that's another important thing, right? And if something's not working, they all put in their 2 cents of like, hey, why are the numbers tracking, lacking here? The other thing I want to add, I don't do a lot of feelings, and I think that must be my Eastern European Eastern Black upbringing. For me, business is business and personal is personal, and I don't do feelings in business, right? My trackers have trackers. I make business decisions on numbers, not on how it makes me feel. I think the proof is in the pudding. So because of that, most of my business decisions are made on spreadsheets, so sad. And I have a board of directors to help my blind spots.
Nice.